This video is about even function, odd function, or neither. So even functions have a property that they are symmetric across y-axis, and this can be written as fx is equal to f negative x. For example, we have quadratic function or a absolute value function. We're going to check if y equals x squared or a quadratic function is an even function or not. Recall that property of even function is that f of x is equal to f of negative x, which means if f of x is a certain value c, then f of negative x also should be a certain value c. This is an x and y coordinate of y equals x squared, and you can see that for each corresponding value, such as 1 and negative 1, 2 and negative 2, 3 and negative 3, they share the same value. For example, 1 and negative 1 have same output as 1, and 2 and negative 2 have same output as 4. Next one is odd function. Odd functions have a property that they are symmetric across origin or 0, 0. If we write it into equation, then it's gonna be negative f of x is equal to f of negative x. Some examples of odd functions are y equals x cubed or y equals negative x. And now we're going to check if y equals negative x is an odd function or not. Recall that negative f of x is equal to negative f of negative x for all odd function. When f of x is a certain value c, then f of negative x should be negative 1 times that certain value c, which is negative c. The graph shows the x and y coordinate of y equals negative x, and you can see that for each corresponding values, such as 1 and negative 1 or 2 and negative 2, they have certain values that if we multiply by negative 1, then they become the same. For example, we got negative 1 for when x equals 1, and we got positive 1 when x equals negative 1, which means when we multiply negative 1 to the input value, then the output value also become multiplied by negative 1. And the last one is neither. It's really simple. If we cannot meet the condition for even function, and at the same time if we cannot meet the condition of odd function, then that function is we call them neither, or they're not even nor odd. So this type of functions are not symmetric across origin, which is a property of odd function, and they're not symmetric across y-axis, which is a property of even function. Thank you.